Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edotafia Amipo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Abi wo open the live video na so avoti ni ya voti na the mafia emiamu do ogbo emiamu do ogbo abetu finyawo ojun we bia ko emia wo ogwe emiamu dan gbo a ekioya abetu ojun we bia ko iwu gbe o a udewu wo ogwe ogwe in one thief for serious. No wonder that they do the vote that day. What here you we yesa. What here you we nusala? What here you we can wejo? No na sangu wagbon. Ya ikio ya egumegwan oda fun we gbe ma re okun emi ame peripe. Eru we veje emi amu du ogwa kun mi. Wo we. Ya o wan ogele emi amu du ogele gun ani ya. Where the hospital ni ya repair udu adudu we ma distress se. Ni ya repair enu e. Wo we. Ya betu we gbe o. You never hear I say anybody we have a day close to me na clear road. As they fear the people that they close to me, they mad. Or go they kill you. You don't sit down, may you reason your destiny. As they reason the destiny of those useless pastors for Nigeria, keep to the reason that they go. Don't reason my social media president. Are you mad? Do you know how many people that call on that day where they vote for her? You know how many people where call for the vote? Eh? Even the ones where we say they don't see monitor it, but they see monitor by the church card. That day for Nigeria, they use and call you, they mad, go they kill you. What way? Who were they what? Eh? No, we are lovely. Who were they what? Be me who dog boy. Who bell? Stano Zua. Fiki. Gwa wa gwase. Gwase because we wa Zua.
Yes, my people, now well done. Now welcome back to Edotafia Amipo YouTube channel. How na day? If everything dey okay, and I know it's in day now, suppose make we give thanks to God Almighty. And so it be and one thing be say I want to wish everybody happy Sunday. I mean, I want to wish everybody first day of the week, and of course now beginning of the week now be this today Sunday. Yes, now that one just did it, and then at the same time now I know it's in day suppose make we give thanks to God Almighty, not me. Whether na Sunday or na Monday, or whatever day of the week we be say it be, suppose make we give thanks to God Almighty, and we will continue to give thanks to God Almighty all the days of our lives. Amen. So waiting did they say this story so now from Avielele come. She can't really disgwagwa lovely here. She disgwagwa lovely here so much. So we be say me myself I ever want to say wow. You get me? So what happened be say lovely here come out like few days ago. You know what I mean? She can't really send message to Frank Victor. You get me? So she can't send message to Frank Victor in another way. Constantly tell Frank Victor say not be your main one. That is not be person of wisdom as Frank Victor they try to claim. You get me? So in another way she can't disgwagwa Frank Victor. So and then Avielele can't get hold of this video now. So she can't get to realize say wow lovely here they disgwagwa Frank Victor. And I know as Frank Victor and Avielele been at two of them they closely related. I mean, like say they be friends well. So and then Avielele know why that kind of thing. I mean, so Avielele can't carry the video. That is a lovely here video. Now go even see on this particular video website I want to present. So I say Avielele they see the video or they watch the video, she they analyze and so she tell the disgwagwa lovely here. Get me? So and because one other thing we say lovely here say Eddie Murphy nice to be the president, nice to be the represident and the president only. Say they don't need another person. Say Frank Victor new come. So and then with that one now Avielele can't come now. Can't tell somebody can't tell lovely here. You know what I mean? Can't disgwagwa she they tell him the same time say person when you come live video as live video presenter say na she herself. You know what I mean? That is Avielele herself. Now you come say Frank Victor. You don't tell Frank Victor don't come, but however Frank Victor can't take break. He can't go back. Now he can't come out on social media before he can't come back again. Avielele can't even talk some kind of Facebook page or Facebook profile, I don't know which one, where be say you feel go check the videos where be say Frank Victor Dolphins do like years ago before he come back again, that kind of thing. I mean, and one other person will be say I very listed this Gwagwa for this video, maybe at the Murphy. I mean, I don't know, but the more I very just use Thai indirectly stated this Gwagwa at the Murphy. I mean, she really the verse. I really the verse. Like say this video will be say she watch now this lovely video. She really find out really. I know I feel more just talk like that. I mean, because she really the verse actually this Gwagwa everybody like say not really be everybody, but she need the people specifically. And I need to go watch this video, or I need to just join me right now as we want to watch this video. Make everybody just see the people will say I feel this Gwagwa join the Murphy and then loving here. And I mean, I be waiting there. So my people, as when they join me here, may Baba God continue to bless you with our family. Now hear me now do well. Now bye bye.
Ija. I get the Murphy ala dan win your social media presidency. To wamune o orio rewowe or ila dan win your social media president. Wana listening, wana we just ogba. E matagele no. Ria. But amagwe ajue e wegani o. E social media the Murphy osaga monoru weko. Ona ame pisho monoru weko ni omwela dan poste. The Murphy a boyfriend and girlfriend where they date, where they plan to marry, the Murphy saga all of them. And the Murphy saga husband and wife, there's nothing that the Murphy never do in social media or the name of president. We say we don't tire for that presido, with that president. So now we put umenwa. Hey, who can say umenwa? Enini, all men no jevu. Ya nera. Go ask your father, or your father, the father, your papa. Or father, wait, father, your mama. Go ask the meaning of umenwe. Or head the Murphy. Or my head the Murphy. I got the Murphy now. I mean, the Murphy, my wait, you got winner. You got winner, and you make another happy. A happy, no very happy, no, not happy, or not happy, one side. It cannot be happy again on the kill leg. No, it's straight forward there, or a family kill leg. I want many day, man need the real one. Now you are talking, are you mad? You like Chris? Ume wa mwene. Where they put us on the work bell.
Who I call for Frank. Frank where or men one or him. Frank where men one. You just enter Facebook. You know, you just enter Facebook. If they just drop this live video, you just become. They don't drop this live video, drop it. See, Okwefei, don't.
You say you just enter Facebook. Una mumo, una no wise. I did a video that they say me na go me avielele. If you be say, una never they follow Frank many years ago. Try to go avielele. May go look when Frank they start to do live video. Una they craze, na they worry many of una. Una no wise. Right from time when I say where the Murphy take wake up saying he be social media president. Right from that time, he don't they do live video. Now hear me, he don't they do live video. Just look at you now. You want you use to take compare. Now just less effect. Wait, no get work. Wait for straight for Italy. Now you want you stay compare. Now what for you? No wonder they say that the way husband be. Now they'll tell you space to take compare. Blessing I saw your husband still be. Or a set of people. Or a set of people. Why is it? Why is it Kyoja? We wag we go the disalo pa. Why is that go? Oh, one me do boy. When me do boy. Me no boy me de no boy kon won no boy. Mo afiale le try me boy. Every boy. What way? Oh, they just say yagi. Seriously? As me at the listen.
May I use one person do you this to you? Uncle Faye, you don't do Facebook. Epa, social media president. You don't do Facebook. May I tell you, that day you want to carry social media president, greedy man.
I don't know Frank. I don't know whether that person like a face they exist. I don't see Frank video. I don't know whether that person like a fake video they exist. I'm not lying. Me don't they follow Frank right from time. I don't know whether a fake they do video. You hear me? You say you want carry social media president. Are you mad? The person when I they call social media president. Oh my voting here. We're voting here. I be we open the live video na so voting. Ni ya voting na the mafia emi amu do ogbo. Emi amu do ogbo abetu finyagu. Oju we bia ko emi. Wo we. Emi amu don gbo a eki oya. Abetu oju we bia ko e wo gbe o a. Udewu. Wo we. Oh, we want thief. For serious, no wonder that they do the votes that day. What here you wear, yes, sir? What here you wear, no sala? What here you wear, what you can't wear? No one son go agmo. Ya ikio ya egu megwa or da fun we gbe ma re okun emi me peripe. Eru we veje emi amu du ogwa hun mi. Wo we. Ya won no gele emi amu du ogele gun ani a. Where hospital ni ya repair udu adudu we ma distress se. Ni ya repair enwe. Go away. I bet we bell. Are you crazy? The tower na pull at the office for social media president. All of them are not the respect them. Una wake on the sort now, not the respect them. They mad. If na Frank, if na social media president what will get now, it be that Ikioja as your husband. You not go respect them. You wise. I been the honest. They worry you. They crazy. Whether they do the votes, no wonder they call put for the votes that day. You want put asunder because now you they want send come make up put asunder for the votes whether they do. You wise, I been the honest they do you. I bet my people me I no verse now me have yelele worldwide more legal not why I no fit turn upside down. If na person test I go turn upside down no matter how the person go grow rich. You understand? No matter how the person go wise rich, you no go feel wise me wise pass me. She they feel me. I beg if you be a day. If you want reason, you want to talk for social media, you know the way you say they talk. Not be waiting I'll see. I be picking, I be small picking. Over your hair me. You understand? I be baby. I never grow. You see, I no get white hair. You may want. You know do a mere video na with my son lieke you do a go. You go they pay me because if I come out also now, I not go fit do me anything worldwide. Mwelega, I go turn your destiny upside down. And it's I tell you that I go turn am. You wear so. I been honest they worry you. You wear. See, umewa, me not clear for that man. Clear for umewa international. Clear for you know understand? The video why you see why they do that live video because I be say I don't want to do saga. But I promise you anytime where I can meet any useless video where any of una do. I go frustrate on a tester. Now me, na it talk. You wear. Say worry this woman.
Yeah. Minute. They select where they patch put. Now they patch on top of rope. Rope will come use and dance. Now it be this one also. After when if you don't they patch they come. After when no get sense, you go patch on top of rope. The rope go. Oh yeah, bouquet. Frank, if you say not they use it, they do like go out to they down. The next time you see all this commenter,
you mumu. All the live video where you they do. Me, I come meet you for live video. I come meet you where you be saga woman for live video. And you still there, so your life never remain good. Your life is miserable. You still be saga woman. There's nothing you don't achieve there. We mave we nak baye Nigeria re kia we uk baye Nigeria re una we do we la webu umami bi rokpa no wa shivi social media o je we saga mo pastor re u saga ave pastor ya fe u saga destiny eneti doctor egbe ma ye ran we u je hu mi be social media. You are sick wo pe ke mi e wo hu mi be social media ni ama mi e ki ore keke ni ya gwa le ki oro han ki owe no re we bu no je to re village. Is that Ozua? Kekere Bangwari or Piano Yavu guy. Ozua. Bibi. Boo boo boo. A boo boo family. Now we boo bog you what? Who don't want to fear? Whoever can talk boo what? Men want to talk boo what?
You have to talk to yourself. Say, too much of everything is bad. You get what I want to do, see?
He said too much of everything is bad. You know what? You guys call this guy as a social media president. You know, as I'm doing this live video, if I mistake, Frank, you can take my video, you go tell me, say, yes, see the place where for mistake. The same social media president won't affect gets. Now the work with that one they do before. You understand? You know if you can say, nah, The real social media president don't come now. The real one where the whole world know now. Say the real social media president don't come. Then make all this sister where they peace, where they be say that they follow back the peace and the all those useless bonfu my boys where they do social media where they no want work, where they frustrate for Europe here. If Frank see those kind of video, may not answer them. I pray. Or if a total bomb with the lads, the time where the Murphy they do social media pressing, you know they agree, make this kind of thing they happen. No, you know they agree, make this kind of thing they happen. Or Marvel Laziana, or Tamia where we need Emma. Esther talk show. We will have a bear woman. Who found a lion the last year. Who be me lion baby year now. Who be it. Iya wala de kissy e back kissy they killed that from where we have to make your the social media we killed that from where twin wari la dan the next day kissy waga kissy u ve de gbe la dan na wu we are u kissy wa ye kissy wageni there's where gain even love better ikyo ya we one fight for your case now which gain Sister Nozua, Uzua Gbe, Imashadu de okay. You are sick, man. You get sickness, you get problem. Serious one. You get what's the social media man? Name not what the
social media president.
Wafnyawu.
Only way you go see say they go social media president, the time when he go Nigeria at that time, when that something happened to them. Now people they use until they do profile picture. You don't ever see
Iya agbina ne Eddie Murphy o agbina ne Eddie Murphy e gan get Eddie Murphy no
they go and join women. Yes, the truth of the matter what they talk. Now how many those Frank just check how many women they don't join a part join.
Isha,
you know too much.
Isha. I get Eddie Murphy ala dan we your social media presidency. To wamune o ori rewe or ila dan we your social media president. Wana listening, wana we just ogba. E matagele no. Ria. But amagwe aju e wegen you. A social media Eddie Murphy osaga monoru weko. Ona ame picture monoru weko ni omwela dan poste. Eddie Murphy a boyfriend and girlfriend where they date, where they plan to marry Eddie Murphy saga, all of them. Eddie Murphy saga, husband and wife. There's nothing Eddie Murphy never do in social media or the name of president. We say we don't tire for that presido, with that president. So now we put umenwa. Hey, ukete umenwa. Enini, oh, men no jevu. Ya nera. Go ask your father, that your father, the father, your papa. Or father, wait, father, your mama. Go ask the wait the meaning of umenwe. Or head the mafia. Or my head the mafia. I got the mafia now. I mean, the mafia, my wait till you got gbina. You got gbina, no, you make it not very happy. A happy, no very happy, no, not happy, one side. It cannot be happy again on the kill leg. No, a straightforward error. A family kill leg. I want many day, man need the real one. Now you are talking. Are you mad? You like Chris? Ume wa mwene. Where they put us on the work bell. Erika, always vake call even what TV. Oh, beg give you the young weje. Oh, beg give you the if you why is a low boy vivie sangwalo avec un via doje. Wama evidio ne nok by kana giun dani go make no walk by kare. Uma water where esa yan luga ne do. Uma abia unu back on now. Whoa boy. I better the work, but look at what social media go my way. I'm going to bigger. Walk back and going to bigger. There's nothing you have achieved. Since when they do that saga. I never enter social media where they do saga. You see that saga, your life never did good. Other people, 2 people, me go do live video. You know how many people go view them? You go reach how many weeks before the viewers where they view me go view you. Is that life? Fuck, man. That one a chise. You're not a talk good. You be married woman, you need to reason well. Respect that ikyoja where you get married to, whether na you married to Ram or na him married to you. All not the same, because there's nothing you guys will not do for Europe. Anything, all married na marriage. As well as in a marriage.
Pardon, that was a bayetic background. Uncle Faye. How many women you don't see say they don't join Okofei for Facebook? Not too much.
Ija! Efei. Iye wak bekbo. Og bekbo ya wak baika. Efei og wak bekbo di Germany. Ame ke efei ejo we Germany. When it Eddie Murphy bekbo Eddie Murphy was over high og bekbo. Eddie Murphy ya we kia ya uwe Vitali. Amen. But the social media not doing Eddie Murphy Vitali ya uwe. Emi ogbo abi emi anwudu ogbo Efei we ha. Efei guess in Efei yo kerebe eve Germany. Oh ya describe it bekusia. Efei o ma gbon here. We have your ma be ya describe it. Why are you calling Efei name? Are you mad? Oh ma gbon Efei here. Efei get he get K leg. Efei get K destiny. He destiny K. Oh he life K. Efei. We are not zua no wa mu here. O work be no matic betu. Unwege usoji. Emia unse. Neta where I want to get to na wavu. I want carry. No, because when you don't have money, you don't have to keep your etu. When you don't have money, you have to baba it away so that you can you feel maintain life if they like a bolo like this. No be your carry something. Iwa your bolo ya fe vo. Eke we ya age miracle la video because to we mwe ikuya fe no rugwe bed emi amudu ogboa. Emi amudu ogboa. I love it ekioja. Emi ogboe. I love it. Lovely. I love you. Emi amudu ogboe. Wa afia wo agbon ichoga efe iwe wu when ikio ya we agwale mi ame no hu mi because isu wa ni bia we wa o nani wa agbe ni gbina ni ya na ibu sefi wa gbina ne fe efe because u ma ne fe ifa we gi yen o we ne u pa ya ero ya we opa ika u pa aya ero ya wo pa ika u me ne fe yen o bi o kan here ni ijo momo ne fe wa mu pa yo woda fun erebe Italy no do mu fu aye Germany efe yi ze we Is way uwe gani ki kan fe de fe na do describe pe ku se gani the social media o ma gbon fe hin o ma no guni person that dies more better than Efe is a dead human being. He's a deadly human being. Mumude, when you want to compare somebody with my social media president, you compare it with me. Compare my social media president with Avielele. You're a social media president. Oh man, away yagbegboa. Yagbegboa amuene amulogbe. Where? Egagi, you cannot stop it. Nobody change it. Amulogbe we man no awasi. Na ya we the video. Ya de gbe ya post so go member. O agbe. Wazua. Ya de gbe ya post so go member.
Yes, so.
Me amu do ogbo.
Andrew. Whether na Julia.
Pastor. Ave pastor again na iti ebo na wagbon. Que no salobo agio, que no salobo magio. Kave neti doctor no salobo agi aziagbon que no salobo magie. No eti ebo na ya fe mu ebo gbe again ane. The viewers of this game, if you not like this game, men go find solution of this game life. Okay, we bonojina. Iya mu ebo gbe na if you not know this game, go and find the solution of this game life. Find the solution so that you will not just carry die like that. Not be that one where media does it cry that they say one die. No. They don't cry for that kind of one. Now this kind of one they cry for because
you
it's about to die.
Go Facebook. Audio live video presenter. Now let me want they not join you. Now maybe I be come on and not join me, John Frank.
Seriously?
Now advice I come advice. I not call you and say do that.
Seriously? Oh my God, we wa give nujie we wana. How many years we yare webo? How many years we kere webo? Agbon wa fiwe. Agbon fiwe.
They do saga. Apropos commenter bed. If you want to carry this video, just say, lovely say message to Frank. Say, he help me wine. Say, you know, come where. May you find topic carry come. No put my carry, see this flower bag.
You now, wait, may your useless picture.
See this flower, I dey everywhere.
You, you where they talk now. Wait. You where they talk now, And best where you put a picture, where for inside. Where? Because before social media president, before he can carry that position where in the so, you don't dey sick. You are already sick. Because the people you have already saga, the people where you the saga they don't detect some part of your body. You don't dey sick long time. You have been sick long time because they never know say you dey sick. Now you want to die. See social media president. You hear me area me now. Ave person who care over you wagon. But ave person in your cure sickness because the sickness not be my brother go kill you. My brother will not kill you. No, not be my brother. Wa gbe gbo atobo we. Wa jun we be ehwe mi to bo. Wa fian wu dan wa wu ozuo. Sister no zuo bibi. Sister no bibu wagon. O da me wetin dey ran.
You go my put, not put me with Frank.
Better see you. See Frank. See Franco. See Frank.
They put her with
see
this one.
See the idiot woman.
Eh? They put her with more.
See Franco. See Frank. See the idiot woman. When I don't put my picture there, Frank. When I don't put my picture there, Frank go baproko. Aproko am me picture Frank la de ya saga aproko wasona. Aproko me ya gwa le destiny we na. Ina me wu post a video na we picture Frank yo ya saga we. Isaga full generation we. Isaga era iju e full generation we. I go sagara. Una de grace. Avi una no go sit down me na talk we. Why total wa o negbu wa. Emite me kweru wa le webo. Wa gwa lo bo wa no wa hin ala. O be Frankie. Ya gbegbo atobo wa ofian wo agbon. Ozo.
Nika, they put Frankie, you well me wine to where was yo.
Nika, walking as well, walking as you web be me. Nika. Egene, Dimofia yari orewo win your social media president. Dimofia go your hankere na da biego. Eta ya mwe pisho vyo ha. Ado moge Dimofiko. Dimofia agwe husband and wife kwa. I mweden the picture husband and wife. Amoge Dimofike. Dimofia anybody na Dimofigi saga tagi mwe picture ladia. Dimofia yewe tawa. Fai picture kon gwa le picture vie picture family gwa linyare ne social media ke wone ne fraki ke woga season we mi ovie picture mwa ladia. Ve star what da fun vinya jegbin ya junu ege next na ka we kyo da finye tun wa de Frankie we video ege nia e Frankie we video he did the video how many times he did that video that time but many of una non look that video many of una we the craze for social media una no look at if I see Waka meet that video where I post and put I go reshare am I go repost them again. Me not for the wake up for na sleep. It's like you guys are sleeping. Una de sleep. Una get problem for na head. Una de sleep. God forbid. Nah.
Oh, I know it's not you. The man said Bolu because I so love you today. Be you want tell her.
Demata nutai. Demata nuweta. U temata my dear. U we mwere regboto. Mwere regboto erere no dafu we wa we mugboto we mugboto. Desunu wa dafu we. Oh bigo. Desunu wa bigo. That is why the destiny. Oh star boy, your we my brother. Happy birthday to you. Happy Gebo Star. So sorry for that, guys. So. Yeah, I was so tired today because I did not sleep early yesterday, Starboy. I'm sorry for that, okay? Happy Gebo Stack to you, my brother. More life, more happiness, more money to your pockets, okay? My good viewers, please, may I help me wish Ima Starboy happy Gebo Stack. Happy birthday. Today is our birthday. Yeah, happy birthday to you and your wife, my brother. God will bless you now. Thank you. We'll continue our business.
Oh, ereru when you know what camp yo, when they
ereru me, bigger, misunderstanding, bigger.
From here go, you reach here. From here go empty. Ereru where you bo, your brain is still boring.
Umenwe, era vision bio yana umenwe. Era vijegi bieto so de vae o maso de mio ye masse social media mi umewe era vijegi bio yana umewe no mewe me hey umewe if you don't know, go ask your forefather. If they don't die, you have to buy tickets home. Go ask them for grief. Go ask them. Who Sister Nozoa.
Oh boy, when boy, I can your error mo bo wa dori mina your oriejo. You still need oriejo in your ear, your ear, Frank. You are not talking. When making sense, we're going. Now stupid people feel say you they talk. People morons. Now they feel say you they talk. You know they talk. You don't come with anything. Eh? A moron ya feel we going. Where you do or where you go. It can no stage in make you they talk like that. People when say where old people they can talk like old people. Yeah, where you that's also talk to. Then one person die here, one small picking. If you speak pidgin English today, now they also say, this is your English when they speak. Now they say now plenty of women, now the picking they always they say now make they broke English anyhow. You talk past itself. Do you know that a child that stay with where about 5 women they meet every day by day? Those adults character. The little pikin go come better. Anywhere when now so my sister you did mama yesterday mama go do her mama could yesterday because why? All those talk when they talk. Now these are adults. They collect them for their head. You know, say little children they can quick take something very well. Carry small pikin go market now. If you don't carry a rich house, before you know you carry rag, take dress. You say, you say I see one Christmas get rag.
See parable, men I know say no get up.
That is how
you no get something, no get reasonable something. This your parable now cannot make it work. I know if you use my math to use my parable.
You don't make sense.
In a man wa in your
don't do anything. Don't be frank and sincere. You see any you still look frank. Now let me want they never go me picture together. I beg no go
because you want me they go na picture together now. We only when you wear, I think when you wear. So. My boo so. Or dafa vialele. Hey. Or dafa vialele. You dey hear me? Are you there? Where ya shawora. Vita ma when avinya ya fe ni lieke yo when ya betinya we video no ma like wa view boni ya ne wa ya sani wa ya menya ni sane iya iladan we ni ya do hweri en we hweri ya wa pegu we view egi meni me hweri ya no we hweri ya iya lieke yo we no na jena na eke ya kipon ke yo pigbe eke ya kipon because of any ye lafi yen wa je o yeru we begin lafi e de mystery boy eke Etikoi okumomi. Ekweriya ya verse. Don't answer them. No answer.
Say you know they come on. They don't kalokwa. We are kalokwa. What do they kalokwa? If you when they kalokwa, if you know they bring his face. You don't want to go kalekwa. Kalekwa. You don't know how to do video. Go big. Oh, ma kalekwa. Huh? All the time. Frank on this side. I say Frank Clement Ken on this side made them not put the platform. I don't understand. I beg, Frank, what did they call you? You don't enter live video now.
Oh, man, wine. You say don't enter live video.
All those commenters that they use.
Wait so. If not no say, Mutiao, we are going to wade on what dollar live video more no avielele. Una no way. I did tell my dollar live video away saga more avielele. It does one away a live video. Last year, now I start my live video. Last year, the first video where I do for Avielele, is still there right now. On my birthday, that was the year 2020, January 1st. You understand? The video they now the same day now I see my YouTube channel. The same day now I see open my YouTube channel. I did not do that live video. I did it outside. I went to the place I put my baby. Now I forgot do that live video. Now there, now I for do Christmas and New Year. Come back. You understand? Now me new enter live video. I was watching Frank long time. Chai. What's when I'm ready? But so who go nori who go. Why they on go near? Una no go they fight for now. Me na see us to go when Frank started live video. Me na ask to go when Frank start social media president. When he start that live video as a thing. When he start to talk to una. Me na ask Ugo go tell una not be the one una you can carry come out. They say in the ladiane or what that ladian bezon in you open page abi na make or what that ladian be. I wait over mother when you the open page. Waiting only where that the honorary Facebook in it. Why ye the mwere boto why ye the beg why ye the me. Oh me. I be idiot fellow. I be dirty fools.
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.